I'm going to show you how to make a resume with GPT-4, and here's how I'm going to do it. So I upgraded my account to a Plus account, which right now is $20 a month with OpenAI. And here's with a prompt that I'm going to feed to GPT-4. So I went up to the main area and I just selected GPT-4. And it has all the different ratings for what the GPT levels are. Interesting. I didn't know that it had a rating for that. It says it has advanced reasoning skills, so I'm actually very interested to see what sort of resume template it's going to generate based off of this. So this says, I am a software developer focused in React, JS, Node.js, and Python with 6 years of front-end and back-end experience. Please provide a resume template for me that gives a specific outline with dummy data of all of my past job timelines, accomplishments, skill sets, hard and soft skills, and provides a general overview statement of who I am. I live in Seattle, Washington, and I am willing to relocate. My name is John Mayer, and my phone number is 1-345-867-5309, right? So we're going to see how it does, and I've seen this happen in the past. Some of my other videos cover this, and we're going to see what the format is right here. So right off the bat, it is filling out, because we're asking for a software developer template. It's giving us GitHub, LinkedIn. It's actually driving us to consider what we should be thinking about. Now we have an outline, and this is right off the bat pretty good. Now it has technical skills related, and it's actually referencing, I know from just my limited development experience, that it is listing out a lot of related technical skills that would be relevant in today's modern workforce with those frameworks that are just JS, Python, those libraries, right? Like that's a pretty cool thing. Soft skills, that's included. Professional experience, it's putting in the dummy data. Awesome. It has about 4 bullet points. Not too much, not too little. It has a timeline. It's representing a present, right? And it's giving you all of this example data that you could use to actually then prompt a resume and then use this as a template. So it's giving about, let's see, we're on our 3rd job. And one thing that I'm already noticing is that this is generating a lot more text than I was used to from the original ChatGPT model. It would stall out kind of somewhere around here usually. It seems to be a lot more deliberate, and it just seems to be chugging along. I'm not seeing any signs of this slowing down or stopping. That's really cool. I like how here it has education, certifications, and additional information. I think that this is a really interesting layout. This is some of the better resumes that I know in my space that I've seen actually are laid out very much like this. I think this is a very clean and awesome format. So overall, this is a really awesome example of GPT-4's way to give a concise breakout example of a resume template. Just really cool.